Welcome, in front of me is an ALCATEL U3, and today I will show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel, expand it, and find the hotspot toggle, which for me is the last toggle, as you can see right at the bottom. So once you find it, what you want to do is, I was going to say hold it, but this time it doesn't really take us to settings, so I guess we'll need to go into the settings ourselves. So let's go to settings, and right at the top we will have more, and here we have tethering and portable hotspot options. Let's tap on the Wi-Fi hotspot, and from here you can choose the setup Wi-Fi hotspot, where we get the option to actually change the password. As you can see, the password that is set here is actually relatively easy, so I'm not sure if that is someone already changed it or this is how it was, but anyway, if yours is just some kind of randomly generated number, you can completely remove this and set your own password. It does need to have 8 characters in length, like so, at which point you will be able to save it. Now, besides that, we also have the option of how many people can connect to our hotspot. As you can see right here, maximum connections, it's set to 6. You can change it from anywhere from 1 to 10. And lastly, we have the network name. By default, it looks to be ALCATEL U3, which is completely fine. You can keep it as it is if you want to, or you can change it if you want to set it up to be something else. From there, tap on save, and once you have saved the settings, you can either turn on the hotspot from here by tapping on a check mark, like so, or by going into your notifications panel and tapping on the toggle right here. Now, I just turned it off by tapping on it once more, but as you can see now, if I tap on it, it will turn it on. There we go. And also you should have a notifications associated with it, so you can see right here that the tethering or hotspot is active, and it gives us information how many people are connected and how many you are blocking. So this is how you would set it up and use this. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.